Hey guys, this is Joey from Linbay Machinery. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna introduce you our cutting line. It's a very simple but very practical production line. It has a decoiler, leveler, and the cutting part. Here we can see a 5-ton hydraulic decoiler. It's an arm brace. We can provide the additional protection for workers and prevent the steel coil from suddenly popping up during the loading process. And these two parts are also very important for safety because they can keep the steel coil keeping on this part and from slipping out during the decoiling process. It has a high performance and high safety for workers and for production. After the steel coil is decoiled, it will enter the leveling machine. We can also coil it. After the steel coil is decoiled, it will enter the leveling machine. We can also coil it leveler. This is the feeding table where a rubber mat is placed beneath the steel coil. It will protect the surface and also increase the friction. This table will be elevated by these two hydraulic sliding bars, help the steel coil into the leveler. And we can change the feeding ways by these manual rollers, just like this. And also, you can use that two rollers to change this way. Here we can see 3 manual controls. If you roll it at the same time, these 3 levelers will lift up at the same time. It would be very convenient. And the steel and the leveler is suitable for the thickness of 1 to 4 millimeters steel coil. The 11 kilowatt servo motor in combination with the reducer can provide precise control over the cutting line. And next is the cutting part. It's a hydraulic cutter, so it can cut the thick steel coil very efficiently. Here we can see it's a sample. It has a very smooth cut. Our machines will be tested before delivery, so our clients can produce in time very promptly. If you are interested in our machines, please feel free to contact me. I'm Joey from Linbay Machinery. See you next time.